Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be giving a tutorial on the app for iPhone or iPad, Camscanner. This app is very cool. I used it before in classes and things like that. It's very useful for taking pictures of documents or of the teacher's notes on a projector, anything like that. I know I find myself using my phone camera quite a bit, but by using this, allows you to edit the image afterwards to cut out any shadows, things like that, and you can do a whole lot more with this app. So here we go. Once searching the App Store, all you need to do is search for Camscanner and it'll pop up just like this. It is a free app you can download. Anybody can use it, ages 4 and up, so it can be used by parents for younger children, um, by pretty much anyone of all ages. Continuing on, after you download the app from iTunes Store or wherever you choose, you'll be prompted to create an account. You just use a valid email and then you create a password and it'll take you to a screen that looks similar to this. I already have some documents scanned because I've used this before, but you probably won't have any on there, so it'll be blank. But we're kind of going to go through this page because this is your home page where you'll probably be doing most of your stuff at. So we'll start at the top. This little person guy up here, that's your account. Allows you to access your account, do different things, lets you go through, see your account information, things of that nature. Below that is your folder, which takes you to your documents, obviously. Then below that is shared documents that you have shared or people shared with you. Continuing down, this envelope is messages sent to you by Camscanner or people that you connected with on this app. Below that is your cloud storage. You have about 200 megabytes of cloud storage through this app, so it allows you to save things when you're on the go. Like if say your iPad or phone runs out of service, you can save things from there, move them from different devices, which is really cool. Below that is a gear. That allows you to change different settings in the app, lets you customize it to the way you want it, which is really cool as well. Well, that is done by Camscanner. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can go there and it shows you different apps they have, what suggestions you would say that they think would be helpful. Stuff probably similar to Camscanner. And then below that is the sync button. This button syncs your stuff to make sure that you always have it, so you can save everything. So in case the app crashes, you won't lose anything. Kind of a safety measure. Coming up to the top right hand corner, we have this search button. Allows you to search your documents if you have multiple ones. You don't have to scroll through them and just search aimlessly through it. It also allows you to search different categories. Say if you grouped different scans into one, say by subject, you can search by subject as well. This up and down arrow allows you to categorize what you've scanned, say by date created, what they're named as, and so on. This check mark, when you click that, it takes you to a screen where you can select different documents. From there, you can change them, change the name, choose to delete them, add tags to them so it's easier to find them later, or put a lock on them so people can't see them if you don't want them to see them. Finally, the plus sign, that allows you to add these photos to, say, your album, your photo album on your phone or iPad or tablet. Allows you to create PDFs once you add them to your photo album. It also allows you to use Dropbox and Drop, which are other apps that you can use to share with other people. And nextly, we're going to go onto the camera and show you how to actually scan something that you may need for later. Continuing on, after you access the camera, you take the picture of your document and then you look down at the bottom here. It shows you which picture you've taken of. If you take multiple pictures, they will line up across here. If you like the way your camera looks, and the picture looks I should say, you come down here to done, and you click that, and it'll take you to the next screen. On this next screen, as you can see, the border that surrounds the page is set. If you want to change that, all you have to do is drag these corners or these dots to wherever you want. If you want to tighten it down, make it bigger, whatever you would like to do. By clicking this button right here, it'll expand the borders of these all the way out to the full image. If you want to revert it back to that, then you click the magnet and it will bring it back to its original form right here. These buttons allow you to rotate the image however you want it, say upside down, sideways, etc. Once you have the picture the way you want it, come up here to next step and it'll take you to the next screen. We're getting close to the end. This is one of the last screens you'll see where you can edit the image to how you want it. On this left side, you can see you have different tools that allow you to change how the image looks. There's a grayscale, which will darken it, black and white, which will obviously make everything black and white, take the color out. The magic color will enhance the colors, make them look better, look richer. You can lighten it up as well to make it brighter if the paper is dark. You can also revert it to the original picture. Now see, as you see it right now, this is, say if you had scanned it like on a photocopy or something like that. It looks more like a picture than a document that you've already done. These over here allow you to adjust brightness, color, and the contrast once you change this over here. If you don't want to do any of that, you come up here to next step, and then it'll take you to one of your final pages. And here we are. After you've successfully completed scanning your document, it'll show up right here as it says New Doc. Here you can select it to change its name to whatever you see fit. And that is Camscanner. Very useful for taking pictures of professors' notes that are up on a board, documents so you don't forget. A lot of great stuff. Really good for sharing notes with your friends, also with your classes, things of that nature. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you use Camscanner. I know I do, and I really enjoy it. Thanks for watching.